You have an extra $500 this month. Your gut screams, invest it, get rich. But if you still carry the wrong kind of debt, that instinct just quietly cost you $54,000. Today, we settle it with math. Pay off debt or invest? The answer is one number, and almost nobody checks it. Here is the only rule you need. When you pay off a debt, you earn a guaranteed return equal to that debt's interest rate. A 10% debt? Paying it off is a locked-in 10%. No risk, no taxes, no bad years. Investing, on the other hand, returns about 8 to 10% on average. But some years it falls. Nothing is promised. So the whole decision is just a race. Guaranteed debt rate versus the market. Let's run the 3 debts almost everyone has. Debt number 1, the credit card. The monster. The average card charges around 22%. Say you owe $6,000. You do what the bank wants. Pay the minimum. Watch what happens. It takes 90 years to clear, and you hand the bank $54,000 in interest on a $6,000 balance. Now flip it. You throw that $500 a month straight at the card. Gone in 14 months. Total interest? $800. Paying off a 22% card is a guaranteed 22% return. The stock market cannot reliably beat that. So this one is not close. Kill high-interest debt first. Quick pause. If this is clicking, subscribe. It is free and it genuinely helps. Debt number 2, the middle zone. A car loan, around 7%. Now it is a real coin flip. Paying it off is a guaranteed 7%. Investing might give you 8%. The math slightly favors investing, but the peace of mind favors paying it off. Honestly, either answer is fine here. This is the zone where your personality decides. Debt number 3, the cheap stuff. A student loan or a mortgage around 3 to 4%. Here, everything flips. Paying it off early earns you a locked-in 4%, but that same money invested historically returns about 10%. So what does the gap actually do? Put an extra $200 a month against the loan for 20 years, and you save about $73,000. Invest that same $200 instead, and you end with $151,000. Keeping cheap debt and investing wins by $78,000. Low-rate debt is not an emergency. It is a tool. Now, the trap that eats people alive. They carry the 22% card and invest their spare cash anyway because it feels smart. Here is the truth. 10 years of minimum payments later, that $6,000 card still shows almost $5,000 owed. The card grew at 22. Your fund grew at 10. You were running backwards. Never invest around a burning credit card. One thing comes before all of this: a small emergency buffer. 1 month of expenses in cash, so a flat tire doesn't become new debt. Buffer first, then attack. And when the high-rate debt is dead, the machine turns on. $500 a month invested at the market's historic 10% becomes $1,130,000 in 30 years. Even if you spend the first year killing that card, you still cross $1 million. So here is the whole thing on one line. Above roughly 8%, pay it off. Below it, invest. The middle is your call. High-rate debt is a fire. Put it out. Low-rate debt is a tool. Use it. Your extra $500 does not care about your feelings. It just needs the right order and time. If this made the math click, subscribe for more. And watch my saving versus investing video next. Same energy, same real numbers. See you in the next one.